Facial expressions set the tone for your presentation before you even begin speaking. So in this video, I'm going to show you ways to engage the audience and enhance your presentation by using effective facial expressions. What I want you to remember is that it's very vital that you pair your facial expression with the style of presentation that you're giving. So the first thing we're going to look at is showing emotion. To show emotion, we use our eyes and our mouth, and they're paired together. So, for example, if I'm pleased with something, you want to smile. This is a great idea. So you want to use some kind of smiling. If you're happy and excited, typically our eyes get big and we drop our jaw. Yeah. If we're shocked about something, our eyes also go up and our jaw drops, but more of a O shape, or so we have different expressions. The next one is when you're serious. If you're giving a talk about something serious and you want people to focus, you might show a stern face. This is information you want people to know. All right, the next we're going to talk about is directing attention. So, imagine you're telling a story in your presentation about the future and what you envision for that future. Well, one thing you can do is show yourself in a dreaming state where your eyes drift off and squint down so you can see that amazing future that you have. Right? That allows the audience to kind of envision that future or that idea with you. Finally, it's important that you make eye contact. Okay? When you're walking around stage, you want to make sure you're looking at people and addressing each and every person. That makes them feel more engaged and as if they're actually part of the presentation, rather than some bystander just listening to information. All right, so to wrap up here, just remember that we need to pair our facial expressions with the style of presentation, make sure they match, and practice using different facial expressions to show emotion. You'll always have a good time when you do that. And finally, directing the attention of the audience. All right, if you want them to look at something, you can look at the screen or whatever object. You can focus your eyes and your face on that. If you want them to dream with you, look off into the distance.